Guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's unbox this huge box of art supplies I got from Himi Miya brand for free. This box filled with my dream art supplies. I'm so excited to unbox and swatch all these. It contains alcohol markers, acrylic paints, electric paint stirrer, antifungal spray to keep the gouache free from mold, fine tip brush, and gouache twin cup set of 48 colors. So let's get into how I got these art materials for free. On Instagram, Himi brand hosts monthly art contests for artists all over the world. Each month they share 5 topics. You can choose any one or all 5 topics to paint and post your paintings and process on Instagram using hashtag HimiPalette2025 and tag their official Insta handle Miya Arts. Every month they choose 5 winners for each topic, whom will receive $100 worth of art supplies, and one overall winner who painted all 5 topics beautifully. That person will receive $150 worth of Himi products. If you participate in this contest, you guys must use products from Himi brand, but it can be any medium like acrylics, gouache, alcohol markers, etc. etc. I won the April month contest and received these art supplies on May month. I shoot this video 5 months back and life got busy, so I can't share this video earlier. But I'm back now. Edited this video few days ago and here it is. Now let's unbox my dream gouache set. It was a newly launched twin cup set of gouache in peach color. They always provide paint mixing palette and color details. It's finally the moment. Ta-da! The paint looks so yummy and it was so satisfying to watch these colors. It is an electric paint stirrer. It helps to mix the paint into creamy consistency. If I mix the dried paints manually, it takes at least 2 to 3 hours. But with the help of this paint stirrer, now I can mix my dried paints into creamy consistency in 1 hour. The greens, bright pink and violet colors are transparent, but other color paints are opaque and has a very good coverage. It's my first time using alcohol markers. I'm so excited to learn about this new medium. You can expect some alcohol marker drawings in my future video. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye.